Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alaba from Alaba the Unique Creations, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Happy New Year once again. Today I will be showing you my New Year's food, and all you'll be seeing in this video today will be tomatoes and more tomatoes. If you are a lover of tomatoes, welcome. Stay tuned. So first on the menu today is this mouth-watering, delicious stuffed tomatoes crevet or crawfish. Uh, I'll be showing you the ingredients. This is crawfish, prepared crawfish already, and yeah, you don't really need to cook anything on this particular segment. All I needed to do is just to add the other ingredients like the pepper. I added white pepper or black pepper or any pepper of your choice. I also use cocktail. This is cocktail that I'm going to use to mix the crawfish. And yeah, it's one of those dishes. I won't call it dish. I won't call it a dish. I'll call it an appetizer. It's one of our favorite. I enjoy this particular uh, appetizer in the summer when it's very warm. But because I have made so many other dishes and I wanted something new and something fresh, so I decided to do this one. Just and my husband also love it, so I just added to uh, add this to the list of the menu. So here it is, very simple, very easy to make. You don't need to cook anything, and yeah, and I've made this video because what I did was to separate all the videos, even though I made every meal in this video in one day on New Year's Day, because this is our New Year's food. But I try to separate the video and edit them apart, just in case you want to see a particular video uh, on its own. So if you have not seen this video, I'll link it in my description box below, and you go and check it out, or I will link it up here, and you will see stuffed tomatoes, crawfish or crevet. Wow, doesn't that look amazing, guys? Yes, next on our menu is stewed turkey wings and chicken. So I left this turkey wings and chicken in this tomato sauce to really marinate into this chicken and turkey wings. I really wanted it to suck in all the juices and all the ingredients. So I left it to sit for at least the whole evening before I prepared it to put in the oven. Stay tuned and see how that turned out. So when I added all the ingredients, I just needed to add some more salt and some more olive oil to make it look very very nice and succulent. So that's what I am doing here. So after about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, and here is the result of our chicken and turkey wings stewed and grilled in the oven. Looks nice, right? Moving on to the next menu is Jello Fries. What is a Nigeria feast or celebration without Jello Fries in the menu? So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. This you know very well because I know a lot of you must have seen preparation of Nigeria jollof rice a million times, billion times already. So I'm not going to say a lot. I'll just leave you to watch and enjoy the video. Oh my God, you need to be in this kitchen right now. And our jollof fries is ready. Yes, guys. Yes, next on our menu, we are going to be making tomatoes yam porridge and red oil. So this I think a lot of you must have seen on my channel as well. I've made yam porridge, beans porridge with yam, and so I'll just take you through it. I won't be talking a lot as well. I just want you to just soak in the ingredients, just see how everything work together uh, in one accord. When it comes to food, you don't even know what language to use because it's so exciting. So enjoy watching. If you are wondering what I have in the yam porridge, I have dried prawns, African dried prawns, very nice. I forgot to video it, or maybe I lost the clip somewhere. But yeah, I added prawns, dried prawns, and it tastes amazing. Yes, try it. You will thank me later. And here is our yam porridge. Done, looking good, and so inviting, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Let me know your thoughts and let me know which is your favorite out of all this meal that I prepared. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Love you guys. I really wish you the best of the new season. Happy New Year again, and God bless you. Remain safe, remain safe, and remain flourish. God bless you. Bye.